everybody. I'm back, and I am going to do a little bit of a wreath, nothing big, but I got this wreath from Hobby Lobby. Did you notice the grapevine wreath isn't here? Never fear, it's in the closet in case I need it. But anyway, I went ahead and I put in 3 of these little stars from Dollar Tree. Then I had this print that I've at least 10 years. And I always knew that I would use it, but I just didn't know when, so this is the year. I'm gonna put this inside of this wreath with just these stars and maybe a bow. That's it, very simple. But I need to back this up, it's too flimsy and I don't want it to rip. So what I'm going to do, like I do all of these type of crafts, is I'm going to come in. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to glue it first, then I'll cut around it. That's what I'm going to do. And this is just a cereal box. That I use, see? Okay, and just cut it out. I'm not going to bore you with the cutting out. Well, maybe I can just do it talking to you. But anyway, so I wanted to have some kind of a wreath, and I'll put the wreath that I did below a couple years ago with my grapevine and pictures of my grandkids, and I'll put that DIY in the description box below in case you want to see it. Okay. And then, see, now that makes it more stable to where I can kind of stick it into. I don't want his face covered, but okay. And I'm just going to glue the very tip of it just to hold it so I can just take it off really easy. And this I can just take off and it's not going to be a big deal. But it's going to hold it enough so I can get it up onto the wall. Oh, Philip, I have to show your face. Okay, I'll be back in a minute. Whoa. Look familiar? And I'm just going to glue that in a little bit to where it can be taken off if I want it to. Okay, as soon as I get this on the wall, I'll bring you over. There is my simple wreath, and I do mean simple. But it serves its purpose for what I want it for. I didn't want any flowers on it, just the stars. I didn't want a lot of stars, just the red, white, and blue. And then John Philip Sousa's Star Spangled Banner. I thought that was really a very pretty print. Like I said, I've had it forever. So that's what it looks like, guys. Until we get together again, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. There's only one you, and you bring something to this world nobody else can. I'll talk to you soon, guys. Bye. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do, like I told you, I got this from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to go ahead and pipe some of this on here. I think it'll be cute as a topper. I'm going to leave the sides because I like the gingham. And this is only for decoration, although you could give this as a gift. And what you could do is plug up the hole and then just put the straw in after. I'm leaving it in. Isn't that cute? What we could do is put some fruit, some strawberries, blueberries, sprinkles. Actually, I could take the flag out. But then it would stick me just to the 4th, which that's okay. But if I want to put fruit or something like that, I don't know what I want to do. Well, I'll bring you back when I figure it out. So I went and got some of the sprinkles I've made with the polymer clay. Do you remember when we made these? There's a little strawberry. cute. I'll just touch up the red right there. Look at that, you guys, how cute. Now I can keep this up a little bit longer with the summer instead of making it patriotic. I'm gonna hit this with a little bit of red. I'll bring it back once I have all of that just touched up. But I think this is adorable, and it's just a Dollar Tree. How cute for a gift. You could put something inside of this. I think it's adorable.
Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, Daveda. Pas de soleil, pas de soleil.